my thing dirty or no?
Not really, but a little bit.
Yours too, a little bit. Get down.
Hey, people are probably looking like, what the fuck? all right, what's good, YouTube? What's good? This is your boy Rafa, S1K Rafa here. We got the beautiful skyline view today of Dallas, Texas. We got the boy Mass as always, the one and only, the GOAT. But we met up this morning just to do a quick little ride here. We're gonna go meet up with the boy Carlos. Carlos is actually the manager from the Inez store here in Dallas. So, you know, we've been meaning to have lunch with him for a while. I mean, as adults, we're just busy, you know. So today's finally the day. We're gonna meet up with him. We're gonna have some brunch or lunch or whatever you want to call it. From there, we'll probably go get a little ride in with Mass. Rip it a little bit, mainly just trying to get some content for you guys. That's pretty much what we're doing out here, you know. The last video I uploaded, I do want to apologize, the audio was bad, but this video should be better. So enjoy the video, please sit down, grab some popcorn, lay back, and let's get it. As I'm going, I'm learning the process of the whole recording situation here. Hey, look at that. Man, I love seeing kids. But look at this beautiful view. Man, I would not switch Dallas for anything. We can ride here. You know, the roads are good. It's gonna do a wheelie. Look at this. Oh my God. I just love my city. Yeah, on my last video, guys, I do want to apologize. I uploaded the video. There was something wrong with the audio. The reason the audio was cutting off was because it's not my mic, it's not the camera. It was actually because I was trying to do freeze frames on the video, just kind of messing with it. Trying to do look at that! There you go! Yeah, so the audio was cutting out because I was doing freeze frames, you know, trying to do some cool stuff out there, you know what I'm saying? But it didn't work out, messed up my audio. I regret it now. Never doing that again. But a few of you caught that. Mass called me right away. He was like, yo, what the fuck's wrong with your audio, bro? I was like, man, I don't know what's going on with it. My bike never turns on. Never. Come back, because this cold weather ain't it. I do got a new Insta mounted down here. I don't know if you can see it. But woo! Damn. That's what you do when you can afford tires. Hi, cat. Man, look at all that carbon.
My bad,
Let's get some grub.
Bro, it looks like it's packed.
It's always packed. Yeah, it's called Snooze. I think the food's kind of good there. We should see. But oh yeah, that's the camera I was talking about. So Mez usually mounts his on the on this section here with the clamp, but I don't have that, so I had to get a sticky thing and improvise. Man, look at all the carbon just looking right with the sun. Let's get some grub. Let's see the boy Carlos, and we'll be back in a few.
Look, bro. Bro, you want to go,
Thanks for
Hey, bro.
brunch, bro.
Hey,
Next time,
pleasure,
good to
man.
see you, my boy. Well, yeah, we got a good schedule now. I kind of have an idea, so I'll text y'all throughout the week or whatever. But
Sure. All right, good deal.
we'll get it going, but
Nah, be safe, bro. Look, it's the Stunners.
We'll go catch them up if you want.
Yeah, look at that.
You know what we can do, bro? We can probably take 75. You know.
All right. So I'm full now, bro. Yeah, I'm stuffed.
When I eat too much,
Yeah,
you call me like gagging.
yeah. Oh, you were gagging?
Yeah, kind of like, coughing, gagging a little bit.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I intentionally try to gag.
Yeah.
Like a nervous man.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, now that we're all full, we're gonna go ride a little bit. Mess over here gagging because he's full. It was a good time out here with Mess, Carlos. You know, we talked about a little bit about everything. You know, here in Texas we have MotoGP happening. I think in April. So obviously Dainese is gonna open up a tent store. They always do. And he kind of just ran some details with us about that, so we're very excited on the big opportunities, big some doors opening up. We get excited for that kind of stuff, so can't wait to show you what all of that is about. You know, I'm not gonna talk deep into it, but it's all good stuff, you know. Right now we're gonna go ride. Yeah, we gotta pump some gas. We're gonna go ride a little bit and then head back to the house, and then hopefully it's just a good video overall. But it was definitely a good time out here with Carlos and Matt. But let me turn this camera on. Let's do it, yeah. And let's turn this one on. We need some gas. Man, it's always a good time, hanging out with the boys. You just build that chemistry, that relationship of allowing you to talk about different things. It's not always just it doesn't always have to be just motorcycle related. You got to talk about life. You got to talk about what's going on with, whatever, kids, pets, whatever you got going on. Today's Super Bowl Sunday. By the time you see this video, it'll be a couple of days after, but today's Super Bowl Sunday, so I was talking to Maz. Maybe he'll pull up to the crib, we can watch the Super Bowl. Wonder what he's saying. What's up, boy? You can't see my visor, but we're actually wearing the same visor. I got my Iridium on, and he's got his matte carbon helmet. What helmets do you guys rock with? I'm kind of curious about that. It's not about the helmet. Some people have different preferences. I know Shoei, Arai, all these other brands that are out there. So what are you guys riding with? I'm curious. Do you have a personal preferred helmet that you like? What are y'all riding with? There's definitely no gas station around here. Let's look at Mess's bike with the sun. Look at that beauty. on here, bruh? Oh no! I don't recommend splitting traffic, but if you like it, do it. You know? We're gonna roll through downtown a little bit. Harwood. I think we gotta go that way, right? Yeah, we need gas. Yeah. I'm still trying to get him. Still having a hard time. Let's get some gas. Get some gas. You see how respectful we are pulling into a gas station in downtown with the bikes off. You almost saw my credit card number there. That's not good. Damn, gas is expensive here in downtown. Kind of overfilled it a little bit. Just do it. Kind of dying or what? I want to get this. Yeah.
Can you put it in?
I'll put it in. Where's it at? Motherfucker, give me the... There you go.
Yeah, so when I do it too tight, I use my mouth to open it. Is that crazy?
Yeah.
You just put your hands on my mouth. Oh, connect it?
Man, never get too tired of looking at these bikes. Whew. I like the moped too. Man, look at that carbon hidden. I think I'm gonna record a little. Alright, so I think from here we're just gonna split up. We're just gonna go home and yeah, just call it a day. I mean, it's a quick little ride, little Sunday ride. And after that, go home, go relax a little bit, watch the Super Bowl. I wonder who's gonna win it. But yeah, we'll just cut it off here, guys. It's a quick little ride, you know, nothing big. But I'll probably just cut it off here. If you watched the video this far, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thanks for sticking with me. As far as the audio goes, so sorry about that. My apologies. Won't happen again, I promise. Stop me. But till the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Trying to hit 1,000 here. Hopefully one day I can look back at this video and say, oh wow, I was trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. Let it all be in the good hands, you know. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Love you all. It's all love from your boy S1K Rafa. Till the next video, I'm out. Ride safe. Peace. Bye, guys.